Hello folks, we come to the part 2 video of the exercise 8.1. We continue with the use of binomial theorem in this, except for one evaluate problem, but the other one is all expansion and finding. So we'll continue with it. A plus b whole raised to n, we are expanding and getting the answer. Let's check what happens here. It is raised to 5 raised to 6. Both the things we have ready, those values. So we are going to use the value since we know it readily, we will be using it and getting the answers. Before we go in for, I don't know why the exercise, according to my view, that because we are beginning with the exercise. When we begin with the exercise, psychology says that we should start from simple and go to complex. So we could have had these problems first, the plus problems, and then we could have had minus problems, so that you get used to the formula and all that, then you can take up the minus problems more easily. So maybe there is this could be problem number 1, problem number 2, and the earlier 3 problems could have followed this anyhow. But now we are lucky, we have got both these are simple problems because they are just addition, subtraction. One headache of looking at the signs is not there, so easy, and most of the values we know, but still we will just get it revised here. 5c0 we know is 5c5, and that's 1. 5c1 is 5c4, which is 5, and 5c2, 5c3, was it 10 or 15? I don't remember. So let's have it done. 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 into 5, 10. Yeah, it's 10. So let's see. X by 3 plus 1 by x whole raised to 5. We expanding. 5c0 times x by 3 raised to 5. 5c1 times x by 3 raised to 4. 1 by x starts. 5c2 x by 3 raised to 3, 1 by x raised to 2. 5c3 x by 3 raised to 2, 1 by x raised to 3. 5c4 x by 3 once and 1 by x raised to 4, and 5c5, because it's a simple term, we can write it like this, raised to 5. And let's go in for the expansion. We have 5c0 as 1, and so in the first term we have x raised to 5 and 3 raised to 5. Do I remember what we did in the previous? 243. Yes, so 243. Then 5c1 was 5 and 3 raised to 4, so 5 by 81. X raised to 4 is there, x is there. You can write it as a step. Okay, otherwise we can cut it and write it directly, it's x cube. Then 5c2 we learn it's 10. So it is 10 by 3 cube, which is 27. And x cube and x squared, so only x. Then 5c3 again 10 by 9. Right? X squared, x cube, x remains. Then 5c4, it's 5. 5 by 3. And x cube. Yeah. Then last time 5c5, which is 1, and 1 by x raised to 5. Before this, I'll get myself okayed with this. Okay, perfect. Here 6c0 is 66, which is 1, 6c1, 6c5, 6, 6c2, 6c4, and 6c3. I forgot it. So lots of terms are there. 6 raised to 6 means there will be 7 terms. So 6c2, so we have x raised to 4 and 1 by x squared. Then 6c3 means it's x cube and 1 by x whole raised to 3. 6c4 means it's x squared and 1 by x raised to 4. Then 6c5 means it's x and 1 by x raised to 5. 6c6 1 by x raised to 6. Let's get the answers. 6c0 for us it's 1, so that is x raised to 6. This is 6 and the x is cancelling, so 6x raised to 4. Then this is 15 by first second, so this is 15 by x squared, just check, sorry, not by x squared, 15 into x squared, and this is 20, and both the x cubes are getting cancelled, so it's a term without any x. 6c4 is what, 15, so it's 15 by x squared. Then this is 6 by x raised to 4 and 1 by x raised to 6, like before. Let's quickly check if the answers are correct. X raised to 6. Oh, there is coefficient repeat is there, right? Alright, fine. This is a slightly different problem. 96 raised to 3, value it, not expansion, value it. You will find this value by using binomial theorem. So bring 100 into the picture or 10 into the picture, some easy numbers by which it will be easy. Actually, of course, 96 raised to 3 is much more easier to calculate than using binomial theorem. 96 into 96, get the answer, once more 96, get the answer, that's more easy. But okay, since they ask us to use binomial theorem, we bring 100 into the picture and then we go about doing it. So calling this is as good as calling 100 minus 4 raised to 3, and minus is going to give us headache, so we are giving it as minus 4 whole raised to 3. And then we get all these expansions. 3c0 is 3c3, which is 1. 3c1 is 3c2, which is 3. That's it, right? We have all the terms covered. Now 96 raised to 3 therefore becomes, we are looking at this, 3c0 times 100 raised to 3 plus 3c1 times 100 raised to 2 but minus 4 raised to 1 plus 3c2 into 100 raised to 1 but minus 4 raised to 2, and 3c3 means minus 4 cube. Okay, this one only you have to be very careful, you can't do it as we had done there. 3c0 is 1, so only 100 cube is left. 3c1 negative, it is 1, 3c1 is 3 into 4, 12 and 100 square. This is 3 and positive, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 3, 48, 48 into 100. 3c3 it is 1 and minus 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, minus 64. Right. Now let's have the expansions done. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 and 4 zeros. Four zeros. Okay. Then 4800 and minus 64. Okay, different ways of doing it. You know, everybody has a different way of doing it. Okay, all the ways are correct. We will club pluses together and negatives together. So we will get 1, 0, 0, 8, 4, 2, 1. That's the addition. Now subtraction part. Club these two together. So it is 6, 4, 0, 0, 2, 1. What we have done, the two plus terms we have added it up, two subtraction terms we have added up, put the minus sign. That's what we do for two subtraction terms. Whenever you have two terms which are minus subtraction terms, and minus 7, minus 3, what we do, we add it but put the minus sign. So it comes like minus 10. Same way we have added it but we have put the minus sign. Now let's go in for the subtraction. This becomes 7, 10, 9, 6, 3, 7, 4, 0, 0, 1, I'll have to check. Some problem over here. Oh God, what a serious error I did here. Oh my God, I don't know how I did it. You know, I was supposed to add these two, but somehow this has come into the picture. So it's like 0, 0, 8. Beg your pardon. It is 0, 0, 8, 4, 0, 0, 1 minus, as we did this, 4, 6, 0, 0, 2, 1. Let's check. 7, 9, 10, 6. This 9 and 6, it's 3, 7, 4. Now 0, 10, 9, 10, 8. 9 and 1, 8. Yeah, we are through. 8, 8, 4, 7, 3, 6. That's a thing. You could bring the pluses together, minuses together, subtract it, get the answer. That's about this part. With more evaluate question, we are coming in the next part. Thank you.